This video contains sample clips from the course Operations with Variables, Part 2. And x written in multiplication 5 times is x to the 5th power. If we have a first expression raised to a power, multiplying times the same expression, the same base, raised to another power, then Rule 23 says that the result of that calculation is the common base to the sum of the two powers. But this is not correct. You do not multiply the bases. This is done when you add the exponents. The correct result for this calculation is 2 to the second times 2 to the third is 2 to the 5th. But again, this is not correct. You do not multiply the exponents. You add the exponents to perform the multiplication process. X to the second power times x to the third power is equal to what? Remember, you add the exponents. You don't multiply them.
You did it right. X to the second times x to the third is equal to x to the 5th.
By multiplying the two number factors together and multiplying that result times the common variable factor to the sum of the two powers. For example, if we have 2x times 3x, we multiply the number factors together, 2 times 3, and we will add the exponents. X is understood to be x to the 1. You can see how this fits our pattern of Rule 12. X plays the role of star, 2x plays the role of square, and 3 plays the role of triangle. This expression fits the pattern of Rule 12. The quantity x plus 2 plays the role of star. X plays the role of square, and 3 plays the role of triangle. We can simplify further and say that this expression is equal to x squared plus 2 times x plus 3 times x. In this expression, we have like terms. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, plus our last term is 6. Rule 24 tells us that this expression is equal to the common base expression raised to the difference of the two powers. This expression can be expressed as x to the 5 minus 3 power, subtracting our exponents. Simplifying further, this is equal to x squared. According to Rule 24, x to the 5th divided by x to the 3rd, or x to the 5th over x to the 3rd, can be written as what?
Nicely done. X to the 5th divided by x to the 3rd, or...
It seems natural that if this is a fraction and indicated division, that you want to divide 3 into the 6, since they appear in a fraction. We do not divide the exponents. This is not x to the 6th divided by 3 or x to the 2nd power. That is not correct. That is not what our rule says. You do not divide the exponents. You subtract the exponents to perform the division. The correct division here would be to say that x to the 6th over x to the 3rd is equal to x to the third power. Operations with variables, Part 2.